Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Santos de Cartier watch reference WSSA0063, medium size in stainless steel with a blue dial. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with a little overview. Now, Cartier makes a lot of different collections of watches, lines of watches, one of which is the Santos that you're looking at. It's probably their most I wouldn't say they're most famous because they have many most famouses. They have a Tank, they have the Santos, the Panther, the Blonde Blue, the Bague Noir, and so on. So they have quite a few, and most of them are odd-shaped, except for maybe the Blonde Blue. And Cartier has made a name for themselves by producing watches that are not circular, and Santos is no exception. They did a great job on doing this one, and as their description says, in 1904, Louis Cartier, I guess the originator of Cartier, he worked together with a Brazilian aviator named Alberto Santos Dumont, and they wanted to produce a watch that could be used for luxury as well as for flying. And so they came up with this idea. And so it's, in my opinion, it actually even precedes that of the famous Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, in that it looks like an integrated bracelet watch. And I'll explain a little bit more about that in just when I get to the details of this watch. Okay, well, with that said, Cartier makes a lot of different Santoses in small, medium, large size, and they also made many different materials, rose gold, yellow gold, steel as you see here, and so on. Okay, this one is the I wouldn't say basic, but it's at the very beginning of their collection. The price only goes up from here. It's a medium size, which means both men and women could wear it, and is blue, a very beautiful blue. All right, let's start with the case. Now the case here has a width, it's actually a square, so you would say that the width going left to right, 9 to 3, is 35 millimeters, and then going up and down is also 35 millimeters, but if you include the lugs and such, then it's going to be quite a bit larger. But at any rate, 35 millimeters is considered mid-size, so actually women could wear it, and actually, interesting enough, men who like to wear smaller watches or just have a smaller wrist in general could wear this one. So yeah. It has a thickness of just 8.8 millimeters. Let's call it 9, but it's still a mechanical automatic winding watch. So at automatic and at this size, they can do it at 9 millimeters. It's quite a feat. All right, so let's talk about the case though a little bit more. You see that it has a satin finish top and a very beautiful beveled edge, and the case has a very iconic look to it in that once you see this case, it's hard to forget. The case has these sort of lines that go down the edge that are beveled, and that contours the bezel, and it actually makes the watch really look like it was created all in one go. In fact, that brings me to the next section. If you look down at the bezel, you'll notice that the bezel shows exposed screws here, and it follows the contour of the watch and even extends down the length toward the bracelet so that the bracelet also has these screws, and that was what I meant by it looking like an integrated bracelet config. And if you look at it, that's how Royal Oak does it, that's how Nautilus does it, and I think they got their inspiration, at some point at least, from the Cartier Santos. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, so at any rate, let's see, where else are we? Now the bezel is high polished, and yeah, nice screws that keep it exposed, gives it that Art Deco look. All right, now let's move on to the dial here. Now Cartier is famous for using Roman numerals on their dials. This one's no exception, but their most common color is silver, so this one being dark blue is quite special, I would say. They do other colors, but this is a sunray blue finish, which sunray means that if you move it, they actually call it a graduated blue dial, but most companies will call it sunray finish. And what that means is if you move it in different angles of light, it'll show different shades of blue. And that's just the way that they make the dial, and it's quite beautiful if you ask me. Okay, and the hands, they call these sword hands. Okay, they are very legible. They have luminescent on them, and they kind of look like swords. That's why they call it sword hand. There's very typical Cartier as well. So yeah, very nice. Okay, let's move on here to the bracelet. Now, as I was stating earlier, the bracelet is integrated into the rest of the watch, such that it looks like as if it was created all in one go. Yeah, very nice bracelet here. One of the first to do it this way. I forgot to mention about when we were talking about the case. So the dimension of the case is 35 millimeter, by the way, 9 to 3 o'clock. But going from top to bottom, the lug to lug, you're looking at 42 millimeters. So yeah, just by comparison, a large men's watch such as like a Daytona or something, it's going to be 48 millimeters. This one's 42, so it's a bit smaller. But it is mid-size, so it can be worn by men and women. All right, anyways, let's look at the movement here. Now the movement, you can't see it anyways, but it is a self-winding, it's mechanical. And so they were able to fit it all in this little package at 9 millimeters. So you kind of wonder about those other companies that have to do it in much bigger space. You wonder what their problem is. Okay, and also what is pretty cool about the bracelet, by the way, I forgot to mention this, is that it has a quick switch interchangeable system where you can actually remove the bracelet, you can change it for other kind of bracelets in a very fast method. They're one of the first companies to do this, so you can change it with a leather bracelet, a steel which is on here, and rubber, and so on and so forth. And I think that's pretty cool. And if you do it on a strap, which means a rubber or a leather, then you can have a steel folding buckle instead of the buckle that's on there, which I think is pretty cool. It changes the look without having to change the entire watch. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. Now, I like Cartier. I think it's a nice watch for the price point. The watch retails around $7,750, at least as of 2025. And you can get it for less than that, around low sevens at jazztime.com. And so that saves you a few bucks. And if you're not in California, then there's no tax either. So this save you, more than $1,000 if you buy it from us for the exact same thing that you would get at the authorized dealer. Now, what do I think about Santos? It's probably my favorite model or collection of Cartier. And I just think that they do a great job with this very durable steel and the very beautiful blue. So if you'd like to get this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.